Okay then guys, here we go with the Monday seedling update. All I'm going to show you outside today is these swede. I don't understand why they're so leggy. They've been outside almost since they've germinated and they're like this, so I'll persevere with them and I'll sow a few more, I reckon. Oh yeah, a couple more outside, I forgot about these. These are all the bean type things. I'm not going to go through them all, but they look like they're all germinating on their way to germinate, and those ones there are doing very well. What are they? Let me have a quick look. 130. 130 is Anita's red climbing beans. Well, Anita's winning the race at the moment. They're all coming up. It's raining at the moment, so they'll be watered. Right, in the greenhouse. Well, there's not a lot left in here, really. Just a few things under the Spider Farmer SF1000. Just to keep these growing a bit. I need some of these lettuce for a show. A few tomato plugs left. These will be going on sale pretty soon. I just top these up with water. What are these? These are Gardener's Delight. It's just so strange that dare I say, the common varieties are so popular. So lesson learned for next year. And speaking of lesson learned, Microgreens I've sold half of them, but they weren't overly popular, and they weren't last year, to tell you the truth. The ones that did sell well were the peas. Everybody that tried the pea shoot bought a pea shoot punnet. And almost the same with the amaranth, the red one there. 3 people tried it and 3 people bought it. But the hot ones, like Mizuna over here, radish, where's radish down there? I had some radish last night actually. Whole punnet on me pizza. They're just too hot for people, they just don't like them. That's the 3 tomatoes I brought home out of 60. So they'll be on Facebook pretty soon. Right, what we got on the top row here then? Oh, right at the very top. That is number 113. That is a hyacinth bean. So that's one of my climbers that I'm going to be putting on the allotment. 133 tromboncino, they're growing all right. Loads of spring onions in there. I almost might say they're doing better than in the pots. Yeah, the pots outside. The garlics for the garlic challenge, they're doing all right. 115 to 118, they're more climbers. Chilean Glory Vine, Cardinal Climber, number 115, that's growing quite well. So loads of climbers. Oh, Robin's outside as well. I think Robin's getting a bit upset actually because I've run out of mealworms. They're coming tomorrow. 132 down the bottom there. Cucamelons. There's me variegated chili. Wow, it's growing well, that is. 134, 136. You can probably tell I've just been watering here. Beetroot, lettuce in there. More tomatoes, and these are a dwarfy bush one, so they should be quite popular. There's Fletcher's marigolds growing okay. Beetroot, I just watered these, they've all flopped over. They'll be going outside in a minute. I'm waiting for the storm to go. Heavy rain this afternoon. And just a few herbs. And most of these, I think, I'll put them back on the local Facebook pages, but I'm going to put a lot of these keep a lot of these for myself. And that's it, guys. There is nothing else. All the Vitapods are empty upstairs and downstairs. There will be more sowings, obviously, but we're getting almost to the stage where Monday seedling update's going to stop, I think. Maybe one more. We'll see. Anyway, look after yourselves, guys. Take care, and I'll catch you on the next video.